how to sell customized planners with succulents on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products or where you can buy the other sellers' products. So here, as you can see, we have a lot of products in this platform, and there are a lot of sellers behind these products making a lot of money. So let's check one of these products, for example, just to show you what you're going to learn in today's video. So let's choose this one, for example. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shop page for your products, exactly like this one, how to add the pictures of your product, how to add the video, how to add the price, the description, and how to add the item details or the product details, and how to set the shipping and return policies as well. So let's go back to the first page. Let's close this one. Go up, go to your top right, click on the shop manager button. Then you will proceed to setting up your Etsy shop. And in order to do that, you will need to go through 6 steps. And the first step is the shop preferences. Then comes naming your shop. Then you will stock your shop. Then you will choose how you will get paid. Then you will set up the payment processors or the paying. Then you end with the shop security. So let's start from the first step, which is the shop preferences. And here you choose the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So let's just change the currency from the Moroccan dirham to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is choosing a name for your shop. So here, let's give it this name, shorten the name, and remove something to make it between 4 and 20 characters. Let's remove customized. The name is still long. Let's leave it like that. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is stocking your shop. And here you add some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now. You will be able to edit this later. So here, before proceeding to add the photos and details about the item, first click on save and continue to see all of the required fields that we need to fill in order to proceed to the next step. So the first one is the photos. Please upload at least one photo. Then we have the inventory. You will need to enter the price, the listing details, and here you will need to fill all of these read fields or answer the questions if there is any. Then we have the shipping. The same thing as well. You will need to fill all of these read fields with the right information, of course. So let's start from the first step, which is photos. And here add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then we have the video. Bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. Then we have the listing details. So here you enter a title for the product, Then you answer these 3 questions. Who made it? You have 3 options to choose from. I did, a member of my shop, another company or person. Let's go with I did. What is it? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things. Let's go with a finished product. When did you make it? You have 3 categories to choose from. Not yet made, recently, or vintage. Let's go with recently. Then here for the category, just type your product's name and you'll have a lot of categories to choose from. So for example, I'm going to choose the first one. Then here you will have some additional details to fill, like the primary color of the product, the secondary color. Then you choose the width, choose a unit in here. Same thing with height and depth as well. Then you choose the sustainability, if it's FSC certified wood or upcycled. Then you choose the style, what you search for one, occasion in here, and the holiday, you choose one in here. Then we have the renewal options. You can choose the automatic, which costs 20 cents each time, or you can choose the manual, which is free. So let's choose the manual. Then here we have the type, if it's a physical product or a digital product. So it's a physical for me. Then for the description, in order to enter a good description for the product, make sure to start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say? Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then we have the production partners. You can add new production partners in here if you have any. You can add the details. And for the section tags and materials, you can just skip them for later. They are all optional. So let's just proceed to the price. Here, make sure to give your product a fair price for you and for your clients as well. This is just an example. Then we have the shipping. So here, as I said in the beginning, make sure to turn all of these red fields white with the right information. And here you choose the returns and exchanges policy. Choose the one that fits you. If you want to apply the 30 days one, or you want to choose another one, or you even want to create your own by choosing what you'll accept and what you'll refuse. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below.